Hello everyone and welcome to JP Creation, and in this lecture we are going to see how we can link the parameters of one node to another node, or link the parameters of like rows and columns and many more things are there. So let's begin. First we will create a grid here. Then after creating the grid, press P for parameters, and in parameters we can see there are number of rows and columns, so we can increase the rows and columns by just mid click on the row and then increment the value. In this way, if we are not able to see the lines or the grid on the plane here, then you can just click on this option here and then select smooth wireframe shaded. So now whenever we increase the rows, the column will not increase, it is only getting changed in the where we are doing the changes. So if we want to make the changes in both the rows and columns at a time, then we can just select it and then copy parameters and come down, select it and then right click again and select paste relative reference. In this way it will paste the attributes, and then just click on the column once, it will change to green color, and then you can change the rows from above. If now you will change, both the parameters are changing at a time. If you don't want to link them both, then again you can right click on the column and then click on delete channel. This will not be no more linked here. In this way, there is one more option in which we can link both the parameters, like just select the value, then click left mouse button and drag it down. After dragging, drag action should be relative channel reference, and then again click on the column. In this way you can change the value. Now if you want, like if the value is 22 and you want here 44, then you can just click on the column and multiply the column by 2 and again click on the column. So now it will change to 44. Whatever the value is there, it will multiply the value by 2 and then give you the output. Thank you.